AI video generation is taking the world by storm. We have crazy clips of famous people saying and doing things they've never done. We have amazing product video ads fully generated by AI and even cool animations coming to life. In this video, I'm going to show you multiple ways that you can generate your own AI videos from an image. That way you can create your own custom videos and do it completely for free. Let's get straight into the video. So first off, I want to say there are multiple ways to generate AI videos. In this video, I'm going to focus on how to make them for free, but I want you to know there's also other ways. For example, using your own computer with an open source LLM. This basically means you install an open source LLM to your computer and you can create as many videos as you want for free, the only cost being your electricity bill. But mind you, you do need a high-end graphics card to do this. 3, you can also use somebody else's computer and you basically rent out their graphics cards and their cost of energy, and you can use them with an open source model and then generate your own videos. Or 4, you can use a website as a middleman to basically they have their own computers or they have a server they're using and you run these AI models on top of them and then it costs you credits and you pay them for that. But let's focus on how we can use websites to create free AI image to videos. So first off, you're gonna wanna come to any kind of website where you can get a temporary email. For example, temp-mail.org. This can allow you to have an email that you can use for a short period of time. This can allow you to create as many accounts as you want on different websites and use free credits. So in this case, I've signed in. We can refresh. I can show you how it works. It's gonna give you a temporary email. And once it's generated, you can click and copy that email. Then we're going to come to the first website. I'll put all the links to the websites in the descriptions, but we have rm.degen, and essentially we're just going to want to click on free sign up, enter the email right here, send the verification code, and we're going to come back to the temporary email. We're going to look for the inbox, and there we go. We have the email with the code. Just going to want to copy the code, come back here and continue with email. And we want to put a password in. We'll just do something super simple for now. Okay, and now we're in. So all you're gonna want to do is click on video at the top right here. And this is going to allow you to create a video from an image. You're gonna want to click on right here to select one of your images. In this case, I will use an image I made with AI a long time ago that I use on my background. We have photos, purple dragon, open, and this is going to upload here. Once this is done, we'll be able to use it. So we'll say video prompt, dragon flying. We'll say background moving behind dragon. And we can do generate. And this is going to put it into the queue, and I will show you guys once it's done. All right, the video's done. It took a few minutes, but let's check it out here. So as we can see, it doesn't look the greatest. It's definitely pretty low quality. It does have some weird kind of edges and lines to it, but the movement looks pretty good. We can see things moving around. The color changes a little bit. Body changes, so not bad. This one I probably want to do a few times to try and get a better video. But the cool thing about this model is that we do have 300 credits, so you can generate 10 videos per free account. And then if you want to make more, again, just use Temp email, make a new account. Next up, we're going to go on to Vagos.ai. I don't know if I said that right, but essentially same sort of system here. We're going to want to create a new account, continue with email, come to the temp email, copy it if you don't have it copied already, paste it in here. It's going to send us the verification code. We can come back to our emails. And we have the email address code being sent right here. Copy this, paste it, verify, and we just go through this real quick. What we're using it for, answer some questions. And there we go. Now we can do image to video. We can select our same photo and we're going to say the same prompt. We'll just copy the exact same thing, keep everything the same, and generate video. So this one, we're only going to have one generation per account. which is definitely not as good, but I think the video generations are a lot better on this model, so I'll show you guys whenever this one's done. Okay, the video is done. Let's take a look. So this one's got a lot more going on. It's a lot faster. The quality looks a lot better. Overall, I definitely like this one better. It did take 11 minutes to generate fully, which is not ideal. But again, it's free, zero credits left, so you'd have to make a new account. But yeah, overall, looks really good. I'm a fan of that one. All right, so let's check out the next one. We have videomaker.me. So same sort of system. We want to click sign in, click sign up, and then go to our temp email, copy it, paste it right here, send the verification code, and we got to make sure that we're not a robot. Find an animal that lives naturally in the habitat. Example, the owl. The owl again. The owl again. Okay, am I something stupid? Nope, there we go. Okay, I'm not a robot, guys. Let's go. We're going to come back here and wait for the inbox message to come in. Should just take a second. Let it load. And there we go. We have videomaker.me. We want to copy this verification code, copy it, come back here, paste it in, and we're just going to put random password again. Okay, now that we're logged in, you're just going to click on model, go down to base, and upload your photo right here. We have purple dragon, and we can have either 360p or 540p. It's going to cost you a few more credits if you do the 540p, one more credit to be exact. So we're only going to get one generation out of this account, but again, make a new one. Same with sound. These are going to cost extra, but we'll just generate this. We're going to enter the prompt. Again, we'll copy the exact same prompt from the other ones and hit generate. And this one, I believe, is a little bit quicker than the other ones, but when this is done and when this computer makes sure that I'm not an AI, I will show you guys the video. Okay, and there we go. The video's done. That was super quick, maybe like a minute, maybe 2 minutes max. And let's check out the video. So this one looks really, really good, really smooth. You can see the wings coming in here. Yeah, I like this one a lot. Overall, again, looks really good. This is only going to get us one per account, but I like this one a lot. Next up, we're going to go to Dreamania.capcut.com. And again, follow the same process. So we're going to want to sign in, continue with an email. Sorry, sign up, continue with an email. We're going to come back here, copy our email, go back, paste it, put in our password, image to video, continue. We're going to confirm our email. Just going to wait for this to show up. There we go. We have the code. We're going to want to copy our code right here. Come back to Dreamania. Type in our birthday. We're not going to put our actual birthday. We're just going to put a random birthday. Got it. Designer. And there we go. We have our new account and we have 300 credits. So now we're going to want to come to AI video at the top. We're going to want to click on this little box right here to add a picture, add our dragon photo, and we're going to copy the same prompt again to keep the same style, and we're going to want to create it. So now that was 125 credits, so we can have 2 videos per generation per account on this one, and I will let you guys know when this is done. Okay, and that one's done. That was also super quick. That was like a minute, maybe less than a minute to generate. And let's check it out here. Okay, this one looks really good too. The body looks a little bit weird right here with the tail and everything, but overall the movement is super smooth. The color looks good. Everything looks really good. I like this one a lot. And yeah, this one you get 2 generations also, which is really cool. So yeah, now let's go on to the next one. So we have GoEnhance.ai. So for this one, again, same sort of system. Click the top right, continue with email. All right, come here, copy our email. I'm going to put our email here. Sorry, sign up, put our email here. Verify. It's going to make sure I'm not a robot. And this time I passed without having to do any tests, so that's cool. We're going to want to come back here and wait for our email to show up with our verification code. Should be here in just a second. There we go. One click login. We don't have a code. We just have a login. We're going to click this and type in your password. It's going to make sure we're a human. This time we got to click a box. We are, in fact, a human. Now we're going to go to video generation. So text/image. Click on our photo that we want. This one right here. We're going to come back here to our prompt once again. Copy it. Paste it right back in here. And as you can see, it's going to cost 20 credits, and we only have 30. So we're going to get one free generation. We're going to click on generate there, and I will let you guys know when this is done. And there we go. The video has been generated. Let's check it out. And okay, this one's super interesting. I don't know how I feel about it. It's not what our dragon looks like by any means, but it is pretty cool. I did change it a lot. It's got some wings, got some pink wings now. Overall, it's pretty decent, but not exactly what we're looking for. But again, you can play around with it. You can change the prompt that you're giving it. You can change the image you're giving it and get different results. All right, guys, that is it for this video. As you can see, there's multiple options that you can use to generate free image to video generations using AI. Like I said, this is going to be a focus on the free versions. If you guys do want to see some other videos on how to, for example, use your own computer to generate video models, or use someone else's computer, or use a middleman website where you do have to pay a little bit, but it's still really cheap and affordable, let me know if you guys want any of these videos and I can make them for you. But that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.